Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you all how to fix mobile data issues on POCO X7. Firstly, go into settings, more connectivity options, and then go into reset Wi-Fi, mobile networks and Bluetooth. Unfortunately, this option will reset all of the settings, not only for mobile data. You cannot reset only mobile data. In most of the phones you can, but this one just not possible, so that's pretty unfortunate. But all you have to just tap on reset settings, type in your lock screen password, and then tap on OK. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have more questions, let us know in the comments.